Hi there, my name is Mikel Lindsaar, and this is a very short demo to just introduce you to what StoreConnect is. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I am the CEO and founder, and happy that you're watching. Thank you very much. This is an unscripted demo, so let's just dive straight in. Here's the problem that we're trying to solve. 74% of shoppers say that it takes no more than 3 bad experiences to abandon a brand. But this is compounded by 80% of CEOs believing that they deliver superior customer experience. So the harsh reality, though, is only 8% of their customers agree. So how did this become a 72% size gap of a problem? Well, it really comes down to integration hell. The average small business with less than 5 staff has between 25 and 50 systems, and I'm sure you've all experienced this, trying to navigate, while we wait and log into another system. And really, at the end of the day, they're paying staff to get computers to talk to computers, a complete waste of money. However, it takes 74% of shoppers say it takes no more than 3 bad experiences to abandon a brand. So what's the opportunity here? Well, 3/4 of customers want better service and are willing to pay for it and will leave you if you don't provide it. So how do you find the best and simple solution in the ocean of offerings? Well, there are hundreds of donation, e-commerce, membership, POS solutions, and thousands of plugins and options. How do you even make sense of this? Because I'm sure a lot of you have never really bought one of these, or maybe you did 4 or 5, 10 years ago and you're having to do it again. Well, we've found that these systems are broadly split into 3 categories: enterprise solutions, marketplace platforms, and traditional systems. Enterprise e-commerce solutions have an amazing feature set. They're highly customizable, configurable, but they're expensive to install and maintain, and cost is a distant concern compared to getting the functionality out there. They're really perfect for multinationals, enterprise businesses, global brands, and if you're one of those, go for an enterprise solution. Then you've got marketplace platforms. Think, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, all of these, TikTok. They're all marketplace platforms. They're great for getting to market. You can get there very quickly. You can access a massive market, but you don't really get a chance to build your own brand. It's very hard to get hold of your own customers. You can't control the UI or the customer experience. So these are perfect for high volume, transactional type businesses that just want to ship and move products. The third broad category are your traditional e-commerce platforms. These are really simple to get running. They're limited customizability, limited extensibility. They also create a data silo. And sometimes, they can create dozens of plugins or other add-ons that you need to add even to make it work. So this is great for getting started, but, at some point you're going to have to scale and move. So what would be the ideal scene here? Well, if you were able to provide the best of all 3 categories and eliminate the complexities out of that, how would your business, and let's be honest, your life, change? What if there was a new category that did all of this? Well, we created a new category. It's called Customer Commerce, and I actually wrote the book on it. It's available later on this year if you're interested. And customer commerce clients have reported a 300% growth and a 40% operational saving. This is mind-blowing changes, and it's because of the simplicities we introduce. So what is a customer commerce system? Well, I'm going to show you. StoreConnect is one, but it's focused on your customers. It's a single system. It's got point of sale. It's got memberships. It's got multi-region, currency, language. It's simple to set up and maintain. You can program it, extend it, and it's scalable. This is really important for startups that want to move into scale-ups. StoreConnect is the only customer commerce solution out there. And what I mean by that is it's the only complete online POS CMS, and it's 100% built on Salesforce. In fact, everything on this screen is part of the StoreConnect platform out of the box, and I'm going to demonstrate this to you shortly. So you get e-commerce, you get content management, point of sale, multi-storefront, multi-currency, shipping, subscription, appointments, and rewards and loyalty, all on the one platform, all straight when you install it. And because it's built on Salesforce, it just simply works with all the other clouds, Marketing Cloud, CRM, perfect Service Cloud integration, and you can always expand it via the App Exchange. So this helps you reach your customers fast, to sell more, to do it faster, and to make happy customers that want to support you. So with that, let's dive into a bit of a demo. So this is our StoreConnect website. This website is actually built on StoreConnect using StoreConnect with StoreConnect underneath StoreConnect. It's turtles all the way down, and we use StoreConnect ourselves. In fact, everything on this platform is built with that. And you can see here, if we go into our merchandise page, you can see the URL doesn't change. It's still on our getstoreconnect.com website. All of these products are straight out of our Salesforce org, and I'm going to demonstrate that in a minute. You can see here, Promar Systems is one of our great clients. This whole website is on top of StoreConnect. They sell a whole range of things, including skincare, nutrition, motor oil, and cleaning products. And what they've actually done is they've split out their skincare range into its own website. So this website is also on StoreConnect. And as you can see, it's got all their skincare products. It's a beautifully designed website, and all of this is built on and within Sales Cloud. So if they want to edit anything on this, they do it in Sales Cloud. Baby Bjorn, a very famous brand for baby carriers. In fact, we bought some of their stuff when my 6-year-old was not 6, was a lot younger. But this whole website, again, built on StoreConnect. Massive time saving for the organization that's running it. Sharp Electronics. This whole website's built on StoreConnect with full traits all saved in Salesforce, all able to be rapidly used and compared with other products, and being able to do product comparison pages, all of this stuff out of the box StoreConnect capabilities, being able to find where to buy functions, being able to show specifications, all of this. This is all out of the box StoreConnect. You're not having to build complex Lightning Web Components to make any of this work. Even coming down to doing a postcode search and finding items around the Melbourne area and different stores in different locations, all of this built with StoreConnect. Paul Arnold Galleries, a beautifully designed website. This is a full system that's run straight out of Salesforce and StoreConnect. You're not having to log into other platforms to go and find out, like WordPress, where the page is, or Shopify or anything. You just run everything out of Salesforce. CellAid, this is an incredible product. This is actually a defibrillator, and it sits inside of Salesforce, and you're able to run everything through, again, your Salesforce environment. You can see here we're on the United Kingdom page, and we even have things like GDPR compliance baked into the platform, so you're not having to go and install expensive plugins to make all of that work. And to give you an example of our multi-region, you can see all of these are in Great British Pounds, and if I change over to the Australia store, I'm going to get a warning. But then when I go to the Australia store, you can see it's all in Australian dollars. So this is using one Salesforce product with multiple price book entries. So let's show you a little bit behind the scenes, underneath the hood, as we say, of StoreConnect itself. You can see here we've just got a dashboard. This is standard Salesforce dashboarding. And this is one of the beautiful things of StoreConnect, because everything's in Salesforce. You can just use your standard dashboards and all of the tools and tricks you know how to do in Salesforce. So here's the store we've got. We just call this our Bold Sport demo store, and we're going to make a few changes to this. So first off, we don't want the dumbbells anymore on the best sellers list. And this lady here, we want her to be incredible, not awesome. And we want to pull her out of the slideshow and put her sort of in between these two team members and the featured categories section. So how do we do that in StoreConnect? Well, first off, everything's a record in Salesforce in StoreConnect. So we can just go and search for that text. There it is. We can pop it open, go straight to the content page. We can click edit here. We can change this to incredible. And we can hit save on that. And that's now updating. But we also wanted to change our homepage. So we'll go and find the homepage. There it is. And she was in the slideshow. So we're going to remove that record out of the slideshow. And now we're going to put that record back in between these two team and container content blocks. So we'll go in here and click new. We'll find that same sprint slideshow. There it is. Put it position 27, hit save. And that's now going to be on the homepage. And then further, we wanted to change the products that we had featured. So we didn't want this dumbbell anymore. So we're just going to remove that. Now, obviously, I'm doing this with clicks, but all of these are just records, which means that anything that I did just then, you could programmatically do. You could change the slideshow based on the time of the day with a time-triggered flow, or a bit of Apex code, or a third-party resource updating Salesforce via an API. You could do all these sorts of things. So if we go back to the website and hit refresh on this, you'll see that she's no longer in the slideshow. There she is down here, and she is incredible. And the dumbbells are gone from the bottom of the page. So this is a very simple example of how all of this can be just built, run, and maintained from your Salesforce environment. So let's go and do a checkout. First off, I want to go get a spin class. We're going to go add one of these to the cart. And then we're going to go into the gym, and we'll buy a few things from the gym. So first off, we'll get this protein powder. And you can see how snappy StoreConnect is. It's designed to be a very high-speed, high-performing website. We'll go back to the gym and we'll buy these bench press over here. And this can be bought with points or cash. So you can see here we can buy it with 10,000 points or buy it with cash. So we're just going to add that to the cart for now. And we'll change it to a points purchase in a minute. Also, we're going to go buy a bike. So this is a CPQ product. StoreConnect is actually the only product in the world, e-commerce platform, that works with Salesforce CPQ out of the box. So these are product features, product bundles. We've added those to cart. And we have a whole bunch of little products here. And obviously, we could also buy other things like maybe even a membership. So let's add a membership to this as well. So here we have a pretty complex cart. We've got a bundle product. We've got a commercial flat press, which we're going to change to a points purchase, not a cash purchase. We've got a protein pounder. We've got a membership that happens every 12 months. And we've also got a booking into a spin class. So let's go and add that to the cart and do that checkout. Now, at this point, I remember that I'm a member, so I'm going to go sign in. And we've signed in. And this is going to automatically apply our discount to all of our products when we move through to the rest of the cart. So when we go to here, onto the delivery, we'll see that all of our discounts have been applied over here. And this has all been applied at 10% off. Curiously, when we go through to shipping, if I go back to the gym and dive in here, you'll see that all of these products have been given our 10% off discount as well. So that's a good example of how we can do B2B on top of just B2C. So we're going to go and pay for this via a credit card. And one thing to know is we also support Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link Pay, PayPal, all the pays. So we'll go ahead and pay for that. And that's going to be running the credit card transaction as well as also using our points purchase over here. So that's done. We've now got our full transaction and purchase, and we can see our order number right here. One of the cool things about StoreConnect, though, is it's also a full point of sale. So if we go over and look at our point of sale system over here, here's that same point of sale with all those same pricing. We can add all these different products to the cart. We can go ahead and add a customer. So we add Mikel Lindsaar to the customer, and there I am. We've done the checkout. We'll go and pay for that. We swipe our card and tap to pay, and there we go. We've also done that transaction. So we can do both point of sale and e-commerce on the one platform. This also means, of course, if we go into our e-commerce platform, you can see both of those orders are here. So there's the point of sale order that I just made, and there is the e-commerce order that I made. So the point of sale is already marked as fulfilled because it would be assumed that you've taken it with you as you walked out the store, and the other one's processing with different points values. So again, a unified customer view. If we go and look at one of these orders, we can grab that order number and we can come into Salesforce over here, and there it is. So we can find that order, we can pull it up, we can see all of the payments that have been made, point of sale payments, POS payments, points payments. We can see all the information about the customer, all the products they've purchased, all of this stuff straight out of the box with StoreConnect. We can even take payments in person here over the phone with a credit card using the same payment processor that the organization or the person used when they were doing the original checkout. And finally, because all of this is in Salesforce, we can go back to our performance dashboard here. We can just click refresh, and this is automatically going to update based on the latest transactions that have been done. I've only scratched the surface of what's possible with StoreConnect. Everything that you see on these pages is completely customizable by you using HTML, CSS, and Liquid. You're not having to go and hire expensive proprietary developers to modify all of this. Any web developer will be able to do it. So we have a lot of brands that trust StoreConnect. We're worldwide. We've got support all around the world. We've got also over 100 Salesforce SI partners who have signed up to be StoreConnect partners worldwide, and we're always adding more. So if your partner doesn't know StoreConnect yet, introduce them to us and we'll help them out. We also have very simple and affordable licensing. We only require one Sales Cloud Pro Suite license. That's the minimum you need to start on StoreConnect. Of course, it works with Enterprise, Unlimited, Unlimited Plus, everything else, but you can start with just a Pro Suite license. And our lowest package starts at $32,445 per year. So $3,245 per year per org. So we really can start with a small business and we can scale all the way up as far as you want. How can we help you? Well, you tell us. We're StoreConnect. We're the customer commerce company. Please come around, find out about us, contact us. We're more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching this demo. Have a great day.